Domino effect. Domino effect is about where to put energy toward particular goals. The domino effect is basically this. You can start with a very small domino and push it over, and each domino afterwards can be slightly bigger, and the previous domino will knock that bigger domino over. And so over the course of 100 dominoes, you can start with one that's very small, get slightly bigger each time, and eventually the final domino that is knocked over could be the size of could be a full 10, 20, 30 feet tall, and it falls based on the momentum created by the first domino. Sometimes, as leaders, we see a bunch of things that need to be fixed, we have a bunch of goals that we want to tackle, and we kind of want to just shape them up all at once. Usually this will result in a bunch of energy that doesn't really get a lot of traction or momentum. The domino effect helps us realize there's probably one critical goal, there's one critical initiative, there's one critical decision that if we push on this, give it our best energy, bring people together, push together on this, the momentum created from that will then lead to the next domino, which can be a bigger one. But it will be the next domino that we can push on, taking the momentum from the first one, adding our momentum to the second one to push it over. Really, this is just a principle of focus and priority over time.